Hey everybody, it's Chantel with Kelly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Kelly's Talking Chalk, VIP. You can also find me on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, all under Kelly's Talking Chalk. Let me just get this up, and we will see that we're live. If you're on the replay, hashtag replay in the comments. We also have our Club Couture. If you want to know about Club, hashtag Club in the comments. That was already up, that's why I was speaking. Today we are going to work on our board and base. That is what this one's called, right? Yes. I always get the board and base and the pillar stand for whatever reason confused. I tend to call them interchangeably the same thing. I did not get this done for us today because it's a nice and quick one. So you really don't need the base of it right now. We're just going to use the board. Oh, there we go. And we are only using this side today. We'll use this side another day. And we also have, there's a lot of ands in my sentences today. Peach Cobbler and Shimmer Flamingo. Okay, there was two things there, so I had to use an and. I'm just gonna call myself out on that. This is a silkscreen transfer that is reusable 8 to 12 times, sometimes even more if you take really good care of it. And where's the opener? It's on the bottom this time. Each one is different, so I have to find it. Because we're only using one side, I'm going to use an X-Acto knife just to cut down this little strip here that's kind of perforated. We're not going to cut through the back transfer as much as we possibly can. Be able to... Hello everybody, how are you? What's everybody up to today? It is a happy Wednesday. Oh, I'm really trying to be too nice to these. There we go. Oh, these ones feel different. They changed them up or something. We'll eventually get through this. They've got little fibers here to keep it together, so there we go. Oh, these are super thin. Like these ones are, you can literally see through them. That's interesting. Oh, Polly, can you do me fun? One thing. This is gonna be interesting. Did we ever figure out where it went? One. Ah. Put that one back.
I don't think we did.
Alright. Alright. Use my sweater again. So we're just gonna fuzz on my sweater, just get a little bit of some fuzz on here. These are super stiff. They're like plasticky compared to the other ones. do it a couple of times just to make sure, because when it sticks on here, it's sometimes really hard to get off. Now you do want to make sure that all of the fuzzies aren't actually in the silkscreen part of it. That's fine. But if it's where the silkscreen is, it's going to be hard to get off. Turn that. It doesn't matter on this one what side is what, so that is fine. I'm going to measure this up as best as we can. Put it down like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the ladybug in the shimmer flamingo, and then I'm going to do all the other in this peach cobbler. If you're in the chat, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. I will tell you, this is 100% natural, so I know what I did. Probably didn't look safe, but it's okay. Your kids can even play along, and they won't harm themselves if they ingest. I'm just taking all of the excess off the edge and putting it back in our jar so that we can not waste it all, because we like to have fun with our paste. I'll take this right off. I love our shimmers. They're so pretty. And any excess that you have on your silk screen you can pull off and put it right back into the jar. Go, that back. We'll do the next one. Probably have to open this one too. These are all new pastes that I've gotten. We do have ink if you want to do t-shirts or anything and heat set it. If you need to know anything about that, please let me know. Again, just taking all of the excess paste off the top and putting it back in our jar. Whoa, okay. Why did I just sound like some Japanese taekwondo thing going on there? Oh, okay. You're having too much fun. Now we're just gonna go really quickly over this. We don't want the other thing to dry before we get this off, or it won't stay in, or on the surface, I should say. It will stay in the transfer instead and come up with it. And we do not want that. carefully. If you see anything I've missed, just let me know. I haven't done this side yet, so I do know that. Sometimes having the upper angle seems easier to see. And a little bit goes a long way, especially when you take up all the excess. There we go. I think we got it. Alright, here we go for the reveal. Let's go from the top. Now, you want to pull this as evenly as you possibly can, just so that you're not wrecking the transfer. If you pull it and it doesn't want to come off, it probably just means that it needed to be fuzzed a little more, so just take your time getting it off. Oh, this turned out so cute! Okay, and that peeled off a lot easier than I was expecting it to, because it's plasticky, so I thought that was gonna... Oh, I might have wanted to do that a little... Oh well. So because this sits in here, I might have wanted to do it further up to the top instead of squaring it so much, but we'll see what happens. Oh, no, I did it perfectly. There we go. Okay, other than the fact that that's not anywhere near even. Am I in the right spot? Yep, kind of. So that is our little easy decoration. You can always color the base too if you don't want the wooden look to match any other decor. But that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give me some likes and let me know in the comments, and I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.